Now I am going to discuss optical path. What is the meaning of optical path? Suppose this is the medium nana. For example, glass slab nana. This glass slab thickness is T. In the situation, 2 seconds time taken to travel the distance. Light takes 2 seconds travel here to here, suppose. Okay? In the same time, light travel a what distance in the air? This is the question. Look here now. Here light propagated in the medium takes some time. At the same time, light propagated what distance in air? Once again, at the same time, light propagated what distance in air? This is the question. Here Nana, refractive index definition is velocity of light in vacuum over air by velocity of light in medium. This is the refractive index definition. According to this situation, refractive index of the medium is velocity right as distance travelled by the air whole by time. Velocity definition is distance by time. Distance travelled in the medium whole by t. T cancel. According to this situation, distance travelled in the air equal to mu into distance travelled in the medium. According to diagram, distance travelled in the medium is t. Simply, this is the formula for distance travelled in air. This distance is called as optical path. What is the optical path in the previous chapter? The distance travelled by light in air is called as optical path. Suppose light travel in the medium a distance x. In the same time, distance travelled by light in air is mu x. Okay, Nana? Mu x. Look here, all of you now. In the situation Saket, this is the YDSC. YDSC means double slit. S1, S2. Distance between two slits always denoted by small d. Slits की screen की distance is capital D. Capital D is distance between slit and screen. Okay? This is the center. Generally here S1 నుంచి వచ్చిన వేవ్, look here, light wave, S2 నుంచి వచ్చిన light wave, both the waves superimpose at the center of the screen. Here S1O, S2O same distance 5 meter. What is the path difference between two waves? 5 minus 5, 0. Simply path difference is 0. 0. Path difference is 0. In this situation, Nana, path difference is 0, phase difference is 0, crest on the first wave, fall on the crest on the second wave. Crest fall on the crest, ORR, trough fall on the trough, here bright band is formed. In the situation, look here. Look here, all of you. Look here, all of you, Nana. Look here. In the situation, here a glass slab, ORR mica sheet, glass slab, ORR mica sheet, introduce opposite to the one of the slit, opposite to the one of the slit. In this situation, ఇంతకు ముందు ఎక్కడ సూపర్ ఇంపోజ్ అయింది ఓ because of mica sheet introduce central fringe shifts to a point P. Central fringe shifts to a point P because of mica sheet introduced. In this meaning is central fringe shift here means here also what band form? Bright band. Bright band means path difference is 0. Bright band means path difference is 0. Simply crest fall on the crest, trough fall on the trough. Simply once again I repeat, Nana. At point P, bright band is formed. In this situation, path difference is 0. Simply look here now. S2P equal to S1P because path difference becomes 0. Okay, Nana? Look here, Nana. S2P equal to this one. But this light enter into the slab. That's why in air, what distance travel? S1P minus T here. Because mica sheet thickness is T. Nana, in air, this ray, in air, how much distance travel? Actually, total distance is S1P. In air, S1P minus T, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Here, this is the light travel in the medium. Generally, light travel in the medium is equal to same time light travel in the air. That is called optical path. That is mu T. Now in the previous situation, here superimpose. Simply path difference is 0. S1P equal to S2P. Here, because of mica sheet introduced, central fringe shifts a point P. In the point P, central fringe shift. Its meaning is here also path difference is same. Path difference is 0. Simply distance traveled by the second wave in air equal to distance traveled by the first wave in air. In air. Simply in air means S1P minus T plus this also air mu T. This is the total distance traveled by the first wave in air. Because in air both the distance traveled by the waves is same. In the situation S2P plus other side minus S1P equal to mu T minus T. S2P minus S1P call as path difference. What is the path difference, Bangar Kondalu? mu minus 1 into T. This is the most important formula when mica sheet is introduced. Here now, what is the path difference formula? Path difference formula is mu minus 1 into T. Mu minus 1 into T. Okay? Here nana mu value. For example, air ki 1, water ki 1.33, glass ki 1.5, diamond ki 2.5. Simply mu value is always greater than 1. Mu value always greater than 1. That's why this is positive value we obtain. 2 minus 1, 1. That means positive value. Simply positive value means simply S2P greater than S1P. Simply, according to the diagram also same, S2P is more compared to S1P. Its meaning is mica sheet is introduced opposite to the upper slit, central fringe shift upward. Okay? ORR. Suppose mica sheet is introduced. Opposite to the lower slit. Opposite to the mica sheet is introduced. Opposite to the lower slit. Then central fringe shift downward. Its meaning is mica sheet introduced opposite to the upper slit. Then central fringe shift upward. Mica sheet is introduced opposite to the lower slit. Then central fringe shift downward. Do you understand? What is the path difference? Mu minus 1 into T. What is the formula for path difference when mica sheet is introduced? Mu minus 1 into T. In the situation, here path difference formula, general formula in the YDSC is D sin theta. Angle small, sin theta right as tan theta. According to diagram, tan means opposite by adjacent side. Simply y by capital D. Right side mu minus 1 into T. In the situation y equal to, look here all of you, mu minus 1 T capital D by small d. This y is called lateral shift of the central fringe. What is the y? Lateral shift of the central fringe. Very important notice. Path difference equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay? Next now, from equation 1, look here all of you. For example, central fringe shifts up to 10 fringes. Central fringe, here mica sheet introduced. Central fringe shift up to 10 bright fringes. Simply, here central fringe is nothing but the bright fringe. In the YDSC, what is the path difference of constructive interference? N lambda, equation 1, N lambda here. Right side, mu minus 1 into T. According to equation 1, left side n lambda, path difference is n lambda equal to mu minus 1 into T. Simply, it is very useful for mu minus 1 into T. For example, 10 fringes shifted, n value is 10. Light wavelength, we know that. Here, thickness of the refractive index of the glass slab is, we know that, 1.5. Find thickness of the glass sheet. Simply, what is the use of interference to determine the thickness of the mica sheet or thickness of the glass sheet? This is very useful to determine thickness of the slab. Write down R. Equation 3 nana last formula is very important formula, very useful formula to solve the problems. 3. Notice. In the previous situation, only one slab is introduced. But in the present situation, I discussed two slabs. One is here, another one is here. Here in the previous situation, slab introduced opposite to the upper slit, central fringe shift upward. Suppose glass slab introduced opposite to the lower slit, central fringe shift downward. But in the situation, two slabs introduced, this central fringe shift what direction? Upward or downward? Here actually, before these slabs are not introduced, here two waves meet here. Okay, that means simply distance traveled by the first wave in air equal to distance traveled by the second wave in air. That is the condition. In the previous year, but here mica sheet is introduced. That's why distance traveled by air is S1P minus T1. Here refractive index of the first slab is mu1, second slab is mu2. Look here. Nana, before introducing of the slabs, two waves superimpose at this point. Okay? Right. But after slabs introduced, this point shift upward or downward. Maybe how? ఎట్లా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలో చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు మరి ఇక్కడ చూడండి. క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ఈ స్లాబ్స్ లేవనుకోండి. ఎక్కడ 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 మీట్ అవుతాయి టూ వేవ్స్? ఓ. ఇట్స్ మీనింగ్ ఈజ్ distance traveled by the first wave in air equal to distance traveled by the second wave in air. First, distance traveled by air in first wave in air is S1O minus T1 plus optical path. Optical path is mu1 T1 equal to, this is the first wave in air, equal to second wave in air S2O minus T2 plus mu2 T2. Okay? In the situation here now S1O plus T1 common mu1 minus 1 equal to లేకపోతే ఒక పని చేయండి, ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ కదా ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? mu1 T1 equal to mu2 T2, both are cancel. In the situation S1O minus T1 equal to right side S2O minus T2. Okay, this is the left and right sides, both are equal. In the situation S2O minus S1O equal to T2 minus T1. Look here. According to this equation, according to question, T2 value more compared to T1. T2 value more means this is 5, this is 3. 5 minus 3, 2 plus positive. Positive means S2O value greater than S1O value. Simply S2O more రావాలి అంటే here this point, this O shift here. Automatically S1O is less, S2O is more. Simply according to this situation, T2 greater than T1. T2 greater than T1, T2 more compared to T1. In this situation, central fringe shift upward. Okay. Next one. Suppose another condition. T2 less than T1. Once again I repeat. T2 less than T1. In the situation, this value negative. Negative means S2O less than compared to S1O. Simply here is central fringe shift here. S1O is more compared to S2O. Okay? Nana ఏమీ లేదురా, T2 వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ, S2O వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ. S2O వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ రావాలంటే ఇటు వస్తే కిందకు వచ్చింది అనుకో తగ్గిపోయింది. S2O వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ రావాలంటే O షిఫ్ట్ హియర్, ఆటోమేటికల్లీ S2O ఈజ్ మోర్. అంటే T2 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ T1 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు సెంట్రల్ ఫ్రింజ్ షిఫ్ట్ అప్వర్డ్. T2 లెస్ దాన్ T1 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు సెంట్రల్ ఫ్రింజ్ షిఫ్ట్ డౌన్వర్డ్. We think and solve the problem.